In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear wheel bearing on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located behind the rear wheel. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a T30 bit, remove the bolt for the drum. Work the drum side to side, pulling it off of the car. You may need to hit the rotor on either side to help loosen it up. And remove it from the vehicle. We're going to clean up all of the dust using some brake parts cleaner. We have a bucket under our brakes. Avoid spraying the boots on the cylinder the best you can. Using a 5mm hex bit, we're going to remove the bolt for the ABS sensor. Wiggle the sensor back and forth while pulling straight up. Be gentle while doing this. These can get quite stuck inside of the knuckle. Using a 15mm socket, remove the 4 bolts for the wheel bearing. Remove all 4 bolts. Pull on the wheel bearing and remove it from the car. If this is stuck, you may need to use a hammer and hit the top and the bottom to wiggle it free. I'm going to put 1 bolt back through so that it holds my drum brake assembly. Put a very slight amount of grease around the outside of the wheel bearing. Using a wire brush, clean where the wheel bearing is going to sit. Install the new wheel bearing. Get all of the bolts installed. Get them started by hand. Snug the bolts down in a cross pattern. Torque the bolts in a cross pattern to 43 foot-pounds. Go around one more time. Install the ABS sensor. Get it started by hand. Torque the ABS bolt to 71 inch-pounds. Install the drum. Install the rotor screw. This is just to hold the rotor on. It does not need to be very tight. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started by hand. Snug down the lug nuts. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 100 foot-pounds. and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.